So when are you going to upload a new video yet?
Yeah, I don't know, Siri, but I'm hoping to make a new video soon.
Because you should do a video where unboxing your new iPhone. It would be cool.
Yeah, perhaps. It could be a cool video to unbox my new iPhone that should be coming in this week.
Yeah, it would be awesome. So I guess, just wait till it arrives to make the video.
A few moments later.
Another day's work. Siri, I got the phone!
Did you finally get the new iPhone 14?
Yes, it's literally in my hands. The box is right here and it just came in.
Okay, sorry. Damn.
Kind of a weird request that you want to see me unbox your new body, but alright, let's unbox it.
Kick.
That new body looks pretty cool.
Yeah, this body looks pretty cool too.
To be honest, it looks the same as mine, just that they made the camera bigger. Probably not worth the $1,400.
Alright. Well, I'm just gonna set it up. Okay, so I guess you can watch.
Missing someone